All right, everybody, we are out here on our way home on some of the back roads, and Amelia is up front leading me home. So here we go.
Gravel in the center.
Got it. Just remember, gauge the road before you get there. Boy, that wind feels good.
Man, especially in them shade trees.
Yeah. So how is it being up front?
It's yeah.
Yep, just always gauge the road first before you get to it. Never, go into a curve too hot.
Right, got a stop sign. Sorry, I didn't tell you early enough.
Sweetheart, I don't need you to tell me that there's a stop sign. I know this road in my sleep.
I know you do. I do when you're in front of me.
Go.
All right, we're clear.
Yeah. Amelia's behind me, so she's always gauging curves and everything else dependent upon myself. So.
Well, I'm just watching, like where you're putting your tires and how you're leaning, and so I'm like, okay, cool. Like I know how far I need to be, where I need to put my tires. I can do this too, but I don't do it as often, so
Yeah, I'm wondering. I'm like, what's the shoulder stuff? What's that? Or like, you do. Is that something new or what?
No.
Like the little girl in the reel. Just a little hint of tomato sauce, a little hint of this, a little hint of, basil. It's like, what is a hint? I don't even know.
I do know what a hint is. I know what a hint is.
Yeah, but that little girl, that was hilarious.
Adorable. Well, there's a car in front of me now, so whatever gauging I was going to be doing.
Well, they'll be turning soon. See, people don't realize that when you're up front of how much it takes, like even about, rolling pretty quick, you still don't want to go into a curve too fast. You don't want to, try to get in the curve and then try to hit on brakes, because then it's just too late. And not only that, you don't ride for anybody else. You ride at your own pace and your own skill. And it's one thing to ride behind somebody, and there's another thing to be leading.
Yeah.
And gauging those different things for yourself. You're going to say what now?
I was going to say my skill level, I feel like, is much better when you're in front.
Yeah.
Glass.
Glass everywhere. Golly. And I literally, I raised my whole body up off the ground, think like I was going to try to jump over it. That's golly. I'm going to have to check my tires.
You're going to have to. It was everywhere.
Yeah.
I rode through it too. We're going to have to check both the tires.
Yeah.
Bikes.
God, man, that's crazy. Brand new tires.
Too.
Yeah. And not only that, getting ready for this trip next week, it's crazy.
I think a bird just hit my windshield.
a bird hit it, you would know. You would hear a big thump and blood. Or the Can-Am from back here, it looks good.
Thanks. The great Doc. He was gracious enough to put my mud flap on.
I did. You guys can see that mud flap on there. I made it myself. It's because the mud flap that comes on the Can-Am, I mean, it just looks.
Well, and it's like 3 feet off the ground at that point.
Exactly.
What are you doing?
Exactly. And with that big tire on the back, I mean, that sucker would throw everything at you. I mean, the front of your whole bike be tore up from rocks.
Right.
Yep.
And he was kind enough to give Onyx a bath. So, we're very appreciative up here.
Kind enough. I'm the only person that washes these bikes.
That's why I said you was kind enough. Going right. Come on.
Ooh, yeah. Looks like they're trying to patch this up. Actually, look like they're trying to widen the road.
I think you're right. Which would be great. I mean, even just a little bit extra on both sides would do wonders.
Oh yeah, for sure.
This road is pretty tight.
Oh yeah. And the right side is you can't really see it on the camera, but it's more humpy over there. So
yeah,
because of the drop in the road and the foundation of the road, I should say, is fallen. Okay, there's a bump. Thank you sign. Even though you should have probably been, a good 15 feet ahead of the bump. Yeah, it's like bump, okay, no time to prepare.
Oh, please turn it to Chanel. Please, please, please.
No.
Of course not.
There's the vineyard that we like to go to.
I was robbed.
I think you're doing just fine.
I was robbed. Do you hear me, YouTube? I was robbed.
And how was that?
Because this is the point where I'd really get to open Onyx up and, do my thing, show my skills, prove my leadership qualities so that we could entice Doc into letting me go on straightaways by myself. No. I'm stuck going 55.
Sweetheart,
that's just rude.
We won't say what the speed limit is. I won't have you self-incriminate, but let's just say that you're
crawling.
doing good.
I'm crawling is what I'm doing.
You two, my wife is so competitive. She's just like, anything you can do, I can do too. Or I can do better. I'm just like, girl.
I would say better, but I can do it too.
Okay.
Oh.
All right. I got you.
No, you are a far better motorcyclist than I. I can concede that.
Oh, she's just saying that, folks, because y'all are listening.
I am not.
There's the waterfall. They stop people from going and hanging out over there on that.
It's crazy.
I agree. Yeah, that little Ultima up there doing good. He's not actually crawling, actually. Wow, I used a lot of actuallys there.
I'm falling asleep up here, Doc.
I mean,
Oh, but
definitely ready to move.
right. But
That's
speaking
all
of
right.
new tires, because of all that glass, hey Bridgestone, if you want to hook your boy up, let us know. Hit us up in the comments. We're always looking for sponsors.
Baby, you are crazy. Hey,
Am I wrong
hey,
though?
hey, anybody that's out there,
Am I wrong? No.
they're gonna start wanting to sponsor you.
Please do. You know what? I got 3 tires. That's a whole extra tire, Bridgestone. You just let me know.
My. Well, looks like the guy is still moving pretty good. Everybody's been out here cutting grass, I can tell, because my nose is, oh my gosh, it is going.
Hey,
I'm gonna have to,
Benadryl.
I'm
No,
gonna have
I'm
to
just playing. I'm just playing.
definitely have to take me some non-drowsy when I get home. Matter of fact, actually, no, I am gonna take me some drowsy. It's 6 o'clock. Yep, it's time for me to get to
We're
the house, take a good
tucking
old,
on in.
take a good shower, and call it a day. Yes, I do need to do that.
Oh, do you want to go on the little loop? I don't want to go home.
Baby, I'm ready to go home. I want to go home.
It's so nice.
Y'all always think it's me out here, like, oh, let's go, let's go. No, it's always her. I'll be ready to go home, and she don't want to go home, and I'm like, we got stuff to do.
Catch me outside, baby. I want to be out.
Yeah, you've been outside long enough.
No.
Guys, let me know. As y'all's ladies like that too, never wanting to go home, just want to keep on going and going and going. Man, I'm tired.
Never. Listen, ladies, help me out. Why are you gonna catch? You called me outside when we met. Now you want me to be inside? That don't even sound right. Come on. The sun's out, clouds is out, the perfect temp. Man, we need to. I hear the road just calling me. It say kitchen.
Well, let me see something first. Let's stop by the house, and I need to sit in my chair for a little bit, and then
no.
Then we can get back up.
No, I already know how that goes. You ain't fooling nobody.
Yeah, we can. Yeah, let me just see what it looks like and what it feels like, and then if it's not comfortable, then we can come back out.
If it's not comfortable, next thing you know, he's gonna be checking out the inside of his eyelids.
Yeah, listen. Y'all know I'm an old man. I'm old. I like to get in my recliner, press that little electric button, and just put my drink over here. Have my laptop in my. Whoa, that car just cut him off. He sure did. That's crazy, man. Yeah, I want to put my laptop in my lap and
break it down. Break it down.
Yeah, put my laptop there and then yeah. Yeah, you didn't do too bad.
I didn't think so. But I wanted to show more of what I got.
Yeah. Well, all right then, guys. We are out of here. Thank y'all for riding on this comical trip.
Tell me how I did. Leave me a comment, like and subscribe, all the good things.
See y'all and pray for me. Thank
Bye.
you. Stop recording.